Hey guys, Michael here with Verus Engineering, and today we're going to be working on our FL5 and putting our angle of attack adjuster kit on. So these are some spacers that are going to sit under the factory wing and give it some angle of attack. We've got two different degrees, 0 degree and 3.6 degree. So we're going to go over what comes in this kit and the few tools that we need to install it. Here we have both options that are going to come in your kit. We have the 0 degree and the 3.6 degree, as well as the caps to go to the corresponding spacers. And the hardware is going to be some countersunk M6 with a 4mm Allen. So we're going to need a 4mm Allen key, as well as a T30 and a ratchet, or a T30 key, however you decide to do it, to remove the factory fasteners. So, pretty simple install today. Let's get to adjusting our angle of attack. Once we get over to the car, we're going to want to go where the wing mounts to the car on the outside, and underneath here, bring in, there's going to be 3 T30s. So we're going to want to loosen these. I'm going to loosen them on both sides of the car, so the whole wing is going to be loose, and then we'll go from there. Once you have the wing loose, I remove the back two on either side just so I only have one screw to mess with while I'm trying to hold the wing and remove it. So I'm going to put these away somewhere. And then these are hand loosen at this point. So I'm going to loosen these up. Last couple threads. And then remove the wing. It would help to have a second set of hands here, but it's not necessary. It's not a huge piece, not a heavy piece. So up and off. And then we'll get to setting the adjusters on. Change my camera angle so hopefully you guys can get a better feel for what's going on here. So no spacer on there, or no adjuster on there yet. They will naturally want to slide off, so that's just something you gotta combat. But I'll loosely put this back up on here and then grab our spacer adjuster and lay it in there. Have our fasteners ready and put it through our cover. I tend to start with the front hole just because it stabilizes the wing a little better as you're trying to use or start the other ones. Screw through the cover and into the wing. If you have trouble getting the screw started, once you find the threads, tilt the wing towards the side you're working on, because the threads are a little bit of on an angle, so that'll help you get it started. Alright, that one's in. Let's move to the other side. Just place that on there. Screw through the adjuster. And into, oh, I need my cover. And into the wing. That one's started. So once that's started, the other ones should be pretty well already lined up. If you have any trouble, you can always kind of manipulate the upright. It does have some movement in it. Get that going. Once you get to this second side, like I said, you can manipulate the uprights a little bit to get those threads started. But actually, if you have that side started, all 3 bolts, and you're going to put this side in, you have the one started, so you can actually grab it here and pull towards you pull towards you, and that'll help you line up the threads as well. Instead of having to try and put some weight in the upright, just pull it towards you and find those threads. There we go. Once you have all 6 of the new screws started, along with the covers and spacers installed, go ahead and tighten them down to about 40 to 50 inch-pounds. But this is what it'll be like fully installed. This is the 3.6 degree variant. Otherwise, if you have any feedback, comments, questions, or concerns about this install or any others, please email us support@verus-engineering.com. And thanks for tuning in.